trying fried chicken breast with Buffalo Wild Wing sauce and a salad with 1,000 Islands. Never tried a salad on this channel, but hey, if y'all want to eat some salads, y'all better try 1,000 Islands. It's been a long time since I had a little good salad now. Let's try some of this chicken. It's like chicken goes well with everything that I eat. I wanted to make some fries, but y'all see I always eat fries on this channel too much. I promise y'all right now, y'all see a lot of videos that I'm doing like in the house food. But sooner or later, I'm going to go back to like eating restaurant food for the videos. We still got a lot of food and a lot of restaurants to try on this channel. Overall, it's a 10 out of 10. This chicken a little spicy, but I got a drink to go, wash it down. So overall, it's good. One last thing. If y'all don't use 1,000 Islands, do y'all put ranch on y'all salad? Let me know in the comment section below.